Once upon a time, there was a king. In his kingdom, all creatures were created by him. One day, when the king was drunk, he took the banana presented to him by the giraffe minister and cried out, "Big banana, change, change! You can be any animal you want to be." The big banana in the king's hand gave out a dazzling light. Don't close your eyes. Look what strange creature the king has created. Oh no, the king created a strange banana giraffe. If you meet any magical creature in this kingdom, don't be curious. The king must be drunk again.